Hey, my mini peeps! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey! My name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and usually on this channel, we talk about anything and everything that relates to money and budgeting. But today, we have some happy mail. So, let's go. Okay, let's just jump into it. So my first package is from Enchanted Daisy Shop on Etsy. I saw this envelope on there and I thought it was cute for what I want to do. So I ordered from her this A5 emergency envelope. So what I want to do is separate from an emergency fund, but I wanted to have an envelope for like things that happen around the house. Actually, that could be a household envelope, but I want emergency. So like when something breaks unexpectedly, to be able to have that money set aside in this envelope. So that's what I'm going to be using this for. Because right now, I know pretty soon we're going to have to replace our microwave because it is on the last leg. But I just want to let it go until it physically breaks before I buy a new one. But yeah, so we're going to use this for like household items. All right, let's grab our next item. So these next items are not something that I purchased from someone, but the inspiration I just had to share. So I was watching the Budget Chick over on TikTok. And you know how a lot of people are doing the 100 envelope challenge or like the 25-week challenge, 52-week challenge, those things. And most people have like the little tiny envelopes with the numbers on them and they're in a box. Here's an alternative. And I thought this was great. And you might already have some of these items at home. So the Budget Chick suggested taking a binder. So this one is an A5 binder and I've had this, and what I just did, I just made it kind of cutesy. I put some decorations on it. Then getting baseball card holders. So these are, they have 4 slots on here, but they also are like double-sided. So you can put something in here and then flip it over, and then it has a pocket right here where you could put item in. Use this instead of the envelopes to put money in. Genius. If you have a label maker at home, you can make the dollar amounts and just stick it right on here. So if you have a binder at home, you have a label maker at home, all you would need to do is get these card holders. Okay. So what I did is, because you know me, I'm a little bougie on the budget. So I got these number stickers because they're blingy, and I actually got this off of Amazon, and I used this to put the dollar amount on each of these baseball colored slips. So let me show you what I did. This is for a later challenge so that I can show you. So here are the dollar amounts. So I use the bling stickers. So I'm doing by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then the numbers are on each of these squares is the dollar amount that I will put inside these little pockets. But I thought this was just a genius alternative. And especially if you do not have the funds at the moment to go out and do blingy big style stuff, if you have a binder at home, this right here, this package, this was $8.99, but there is a ton in here. I will not even use it all. This is all I needed for right now, and I still have all this left. And what I might do, I might add some of these to like my giveaway just to, you know, support someone. So let me show you how it works. Let me grab my money and we'll just practice putting one in. So we're just gonna fold the money. And then right up here, $5. So we're gonna stick it in right there. And then let's do a 20 that's on here. Same thing. Let me just see if I can hold this up with one hand and slip the 20 right in there. And there you go. Easy peasy. So there's 10 and then the 15. Like, how cute is this? I love this idea and concept. And if you want, you could put money on this side too. There's another pocket on the other side of this, but I'm just doing the front. So check out the budget chick. Okay, so our next item is from Lavish and Rad. And she has an Instagram account where she advertises her items. And I had ordered a zippy wallet from her. And she makes these wallets. So this is the zippy wallet that I got from her. It is A6 size. Let's go ahead. I'll turn over. And look at the inside. And I am loving how people are doing this now. They are now making the rings that come out so that you can adjust it to any way that you want. If you have a larger size cash envelopes in here, you can always slide this out. Or if you have smaller ones, push this in. Love it, love it, love it. I love the window here so I can put my driver's license and you can see it. So there's that pocket, there's a pocket here. And then when you open this up, you have all the pockets for your cards here. There's pockets on this side, or excuse me, not pocket slots on this side for your cards. You have your coins, pocket right here. Love this. And it's like, it's hard, so it's not like, you know, squishy. But I'm really starting to like these hardbound wallets. Okay, so now the main event is here. I have been dying to show this and it finally arrived in the mail. So let's go. Okay guys, it is time for question of the day. This is the point in my video where I do a quick pause. I ask a question, you run down to the comments and you answer a question. This way we can interact with one another. So my question is, where are you located? Now, I don't need your address or anything like that. I just want to know what state or what country are you in right now? I am in the good old Washington State. Now, usually when you say Washington State to people, the first thing they think of is Seattle, the Space Needle. But I am about an hour away from that. So let me know down in the comments. Okay, I had said many moons ago that I wanted to move to the A5 size envelopes. And my order has finally arrived. I have been looking at these for a while. They were saved to my favorites. And then finally I said, we are doing this. And I've been waiting for these. I'm so excited, guys. I can't even explain how pumped I am. I love these envelopes. Okay. I got these from, so the name of our shop says DK Creative Designs. And this is off of Etsy. Okay. Guys, ready? You ready? Dun, 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 dun. So pretty. I'm so pumped. I love this design. It's all my same categories, but it's really cool because the big letter is the first letter of my category. So the B for Black Friday. Then we have the C for card tabs. C for coffee. And we have the D for deep freezer. I just love this pattern on them. It's so freaking cool. And then we have dental. And then we have F for family fun. G for gifts. H for health. H for household. I for insurance. And then we have my K for my kitty cats. And then we have the W for whatever. So let's go ahead and stick them in the binder. I've had this binder just sitting here waiting for these envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in really quick. All right, guys, was just a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things I got. I want to get off of here so I can go and play with my new Seeking Fun binder. I'm so excited. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go down and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button to show this girl some love and support. And don't forget to go down to the comments and answer my question of the day. So until next time, guys, see ya.